guys, Vanakkam, Namaskar. My name is Sangeeta Devendran, and you guys are watching Bold and Beautiful. So, guys, I'm back with one more fruitful and useful video. And in this video, as you have already guessed from the title, I'm going to do this beautiful glass skin makeup tutorial. Now, first and foremost, I would like to tell you what is glass skin. Now, glass skin makeup is a technique to achieve a good skin, flawless skin looking like makeup, guys. This skin care routine has come from Korea, because Korean people have their flawless skin. What they do, they basically follow a 10 days or 10 step skincare routine to achieve this kind of flawless skin. But I think that it is really very difficult because you have a lot of things, your weather condition, and so many other things. So I'm going to tell you how to achieve this as glass flawless skin looking makeup, how to do that in this tutorial. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I would take a moment to say please subscribe to my channel. There is a subscription box, आप उसको hit कर दीजिए. एक छोटा सा bell icon होगा, उसको भी hit कर दीजिए, so that जब भी मैं new video upload करूँ, आप लोगों के पास जल्दी से जल्दी notification आ जाए. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on the Instagram. My handle is Sangeeta Devendran. Do follow me there as well. So without me much rambling, let's get into the video. I'll start by prepping my skin, and for that I need a good moisturizer. And for today's moisturizing, I'm using this Nat Habit Fresh Whipped Skin Malai. This is something, a new product I am using currently, guys. This is a really very good. I am enjoying using this product, although it has little bit fragrance, just little strong. So other than that, I'm pretty much okay with this moisturizer. So I want this good, clean, luminous skin. So I'm using this moisturizer today. This is very, very hydrating and it's really very good. Okay, so after the moisturizer, guys, I'm going to use a good luminous primer, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild primer to use today. This is a luminous primer. You might have seen already in many of my videos. I'm not going to layer too much. I'm just taking very little amount and I'll just apply on my T-zone so that the makeup should apply nice and smooth, and I'll get the luminosity and dewiness at the same time. Very gently I'll start spreading this primer all over my face. Okay, so after my primer, guys, I'm going to use my concealer, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 36 Golden. This is a very good skin match. Today I'm not going to use too much, guys. I'm just going to spot concealer. So I'll just apply wherever I find the discoloration and I'll blend that. I'll take a blending brush which is very clean and I'll use this. So that's it, guys. I'm done for the concealer and I think the discoloration is pretty much covered. So I'll now move on to my foundation. And for the foundation, I'm using, guys, LA Color Pro Conceal Pro Coverage Foundation. This is, I'm in the shade Tan. And this is really very good foundation, guys. This is a full coverage foundation and also it is a thick foundation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the tiniest amount possible, like only this much, and I'm going to use my Good Vibes Argan Oil. Now you can see this is a face oil, guys. This is almost like a serum also. So what I'll do, I'll take 2-3 drops of this oil and I'll mix this with the foundation. so that I can shear down the foundation a little bit. Also, I can make this foundation more luminous. So I'll just apply this on my face, and I'll apply very little amount of this foundation, not too much. And I'll take a clean stippling brush like this. It's very small, but it's very good to blend a foundation, guys. So I'll take this clean stippling brush and I'll start blending my foundation. So as you can see, guys, I have blended the foundation nice and well. Also, ये ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि I have applied too much on my face. It looks still very sheer and very skin-like. I know it is looking too much oily and greasy, but it is not the case, guys. Just now I have applied the foundation, so it might look little bit greasy, but as the time passes, it will sink into the skin, and I know it will just look skin-like. So after foundation, what I'll do, I'll take my loose powder and very slightly, ever so slightly, I'm going to just set my face little bit wherever I find कि creasing हो सकता है या makeup थोड़ा सा budge हो सकता है. So guys, I'm going to use my Blue Heaven Sapphire loose powder. This is very good powder, guys, and I have also done a Blue Heaven must-have products. If you haven't watched yet, please go and watch that. I'll insert that in the cards so that you can have an idea about how this product works. So these are the basic areas where creasing can happen, and to avoid that, मैं यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे हल्के, बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से मैं इसको apply करूँ. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. My Maybelline Fashion Brow pencil today. This gives the most natural looking eyebrows, guys. Believe me, it looks very good. So I'm going to just shape my eyebrows a bit. Basically, I'm filling in all the sparse gaps and bald space in my eyebrows. So what I'll do, after filling in the eyebrow, I'll take my Wet n Wild clear mascara. This is a clear mascara, guys. It's a transparent mascara. It looks like this. So I'll just use this on my eyebrows so that my eyebrows look more natural, and also it will set the product nicely. So after my eyebrows, guys, I'm going to apply some blush, and for that I'm using my O2O liquid blush. You can see this is a liquid blush, guys, and this is in the shade 06. ये बहुत ही pigmented है, guys, और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा natural color देता है. Like I'm going to use this much, like it's very tiny pump of this. I'm going to just take this on the hand, and with the help of my finger मैं अपने cheeks पे यहाँ पे apply करूँगी इसको, और मैं इसको अपने finger से ही blend करूँगी. Also, guys, one more tip, आप glass skin लोग अगर कर रहे हैं तो please make sure you use all the liquid products possible, because वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा skin like लगता है. For example, see, if I'm blending this, it gives very skin like color. See? So avoid powder products and use more of liquid products so that it looks more natural and more skin like. And whatever is left on this on my hand, I'll apply that on the chin and a little bit here. Now, guys, after blush, I'll move on to my contouring. I'm not going to do any cream contour. Also, guys, अगर आपके पास कोई भी bronzer है, you can slightly add that. That will give you a sun-kissed glowing look. I don't have any bronzer, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Bronze and Highlight palette. So I'm going to use this shade over here, and ever so lightly I'm going to just give very tiny amount of contouring. I'm not going to do anything harsh. Like I'm barely picking the product and applying it. Guys, this is very important because what happens after applying too much of cream product, our normal features, जो हमारे normal features है face के, वो थोड़ा सा tone down हो जाता है. Just to enhance that and just to give that crispness back, I'm using this so that the face should not look flat. Also guys, I'm going to take the same color, the same contour shade, and I'm going to just apply little bit on the lids because I feel my lids are very flat at the moment and I have to add little dimension. So I'm taking the powder brush again and apply little bit on the crease. So after my eyelid areas, guys, I'm going to use my highlighter, and for today's highlighter I'm going to use a liquid one, and this is by the brand Swiss Beauty, a liquid highlighter. I hope you can see this is a drop based highlighter, guys. It has a dropper and it is in the shade 05 Coppery. This matches well with my skin. This has a dropper like this and it is very liquidy, as you can see. So I'll take very tiny amount, that much, and I'll apply on the highest point of my face. And also guys, I'm going to blend this with my fingers only. I'm not using any tools because I find liquid products are more blendable with the use of your fingers and not any tools. On the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the forehead. Right, I'm left with only two things, my eyes and the lips. So what I have done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my lip liner. This is Maybelline Color Sensational Super Stay Lip Liner in the shade Rich Chocolate. Eyes, I'm going to apply this on the eyelid area and I'm going to smudge that. So you can see guys, I'm applying this very slightly on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not even taking it to the inner corner, just to the middle of my eyes. And I'm going to smudge this outer side, outside of the eyes. Very gently I'm going to smudge this so that it should look exactly like my eyes and there should be no harsh. Rimmel London Volumizing Scandalize Mascara. So I'm going to apply this to 3/4 very gently and nicely. So that's it guys, I have applied my mascaras and now I am going to use my lip liner. I'm going to just line my lips. And this is the same lip liner guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just spread this nicely with the help of my fingers. So that I can get that Korean blur smudged lips. I'm going to use my Sugar Dual lipstick in the shade Teak Mystic. Although I'm not going to use this color, I'm going to use this clear gloss. This is a gloss side, so I'm going to use that on my lips today, and I'm not going to apply any lipstick. I'm just going to leave my lips just like this. So that's it, guys. That is the final look. I have done the entire makeup. I have added some accessories. I made my hairstyle so that I can look put together. I hope you have liked this video, guys. I'm just in love with this makeup right now. You can see I have applied very minimal makeup. Even you can see my skin peeking through from this makeup. I am loving this, guys. Guys, you can totally carry this look at the daytime or at night. If you're going out on date, you can also carry this makeup, guys. This will make you look absolutely stunning, beautiful. That is it, guys. That is what I wanted to say. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button so that you can let me know that you liked it. Also, guys, comment down below your thoughts about my video and how fruitful this has been for you. And that's it, guys. Without too much rambling, I'll wrap this video. Until I meet you all in my next video, take care. Mwah. Bye.